Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another stream, everyone. How's everyone doing? How's everyone's day been? Who have we got in? Yeah, welcome, guys. Ishan, welcome to the stream, mate. Hope everyone's good. Yeah, guys, welcome back to another stream. Yo, Ben, how's it going, mate? Yeah, Ben, I've seen that. Beautiful. Great stuff. I've just seen that new phone, bro. That old phone, sorry. Let me just share it to the community really quickly, guys, and then we can get cracking. But yeah, welcome. Quick 30-minute tune-in, sweet. Hey, Dean, how's it going, bro? Welcome back to another stream. Gold's got a beautiful range for us to work with now, which is good. This is what I like to see, a nice range like this. But I'll go through everything in a second, what I'm actually seeing long-term on gold. Well, for the rest of the week, I'd say now. But yeah, give us 30 seconds, guys. I'm just going to wait for this hourly to close. Because if this hourly closes above 27.39, I'll be in long. So if it doesn't close above, then we'll have to wait for the next 15 closure. But that's the plan. Let me just share this again with the free Telegram, and then we're done. Right, guys, nice. Right. Let's see who we got. We got Ben, Dean, Ishan. Welcome, everyone. Yeah, I'll start breaking gold down in a couple of minutes. But yeah, there's no real trading to be done in here. If you've been trading in here, guys, and taking losses, it's not hard to see why. Don't be trading in this, guys. You know, there was a beautiful move in London pre-London session, 6:45, that a lot of the members caught. You know, you've got like into the highs where we've actually moved. You've got like 100 ticks there. They're the moves you want to be catching. These moves here. Don't want to be trading this. So if like I say, look at this, guys. Perfect. Break above the range. You know, if that's the range, you break above it here. You get your confirmation there. Continuation higher. Okay. But I'll break that down in a second, guys. Just wait for it to fill up a little bit. How many people are in? We've got 8 people in now. How's it going? Bob, yo, how's it going? Guys, we need one more. We're almost at 300 subs, guys. Crazy. 50 subscribers in like less than a week. It's been insane. When did I get 50 subs? I'll see that. Oh no, about 10 days, sorry. Yeah, 50 subscribers in about 10 days, which is great. But yeah, we're at 299 subs, guys. We need one more and then we're there. But yeah, welcome, Bob. How's it going? Let's have another good day, guys. Like I say, let's clean everything off. Clean these off here. Don't want people to get thingy. But yeah, I need to change that. I put it as a loss, even though it was like break even, but it is what it is. I don't care. Just made it 300. Oh, Bob, legend. Yes, Bob. No, nice one, guys. Oh, you guys, I appreciate everything. We've hit 300 subscribers. Nice one. Next aim for me is 500. 300's great. Yeah, 300 subs, guys. Nice one. Yeah, good stuff, guys. Bob the legend hitting the 300 for me. Right, guys, what time are we on? We're on 59. I'll start breaking this chart down now, guys. Okay, let me just delete this really quickly. So, for gold, guys, looking at the gold chart, yeah, super bullish. But for me, if we're looking at it in terms of the daily, look what the daily candle's done. This prior daily candle to the left here, it took liquidity of the prior daily high. This green candle took liquidity and closed very bearish. So for me, at least what you want to see after this is a wick fill on this yesterday's low, which I think with the news coming out in 30 minutes, that could potentially happen today. However, I'd be more interested in shorts than longs, especially with how bullish we have been to start the day off. You know, if we look at the daily today, you can see that we've instantly pushed up with no bottom wick and no wick fill of yesterday's low, sorry. But if you look, yesterday we wick filled and then pushed down. But for me, yeah, we could still flip on this daily with the news coming out for sure. That's definitely possible. You know, it's only 220 ticks with news that can definitely happen. So for me, what I'm going to be looking for today is if I can try and short down into these lows here. And also, that would be some nice trendline liquidity here, guys. You know, we've got some trendline liquidity there. All these lows need taking. So if price can start to close bearish below some levels, then I'm going to be looking for price to continue down into these lows and then all these lows here, okay? So we've got a collection of lows there to take, which this trendline liquidity is holding quite nicely. So if price does start closing below, say 20, I'll go through my levels in a second, my updated levels. But if we do start closing bearish, you know, 27.35, 27.33 areas, then yeah, I'm very, very interested in shorts, guys. Just going to plug my charger in really quickly. My phone. Nice. Right, done. But yeah, that's the overall higher time frame on the hourly on gold. I think personally that we've got some great targets to look for some nice swings to the downside. But like I said, the hourly has just opened and we can't rush into anything just yet. But the 15-minute guys, very clear range for me right now. You know, above 27.39 here, I will be looking to see if we can continue gold higher. You know, it's a big level to the left as well. You can see 27.39, 27.40, resistance here, resistance, support, resistance. Now acting as quite a big resistance now. Look, 1, 2, 3 times it's failed to break above it. So if we do finally break above and close through this level, I'm going to be looking for further longs, guys. We've still got some decent highs to take above market, all the way up here and all the way here as well. So that is still interesting to me. But personally, for me, if we can start closing back below 27.35, then I'm going to look for them shorts down into this trend line liquidity. So for me right now, this is the range I've got. Downside first targets as well, quite nice as these lows, which if you look at it in terms of trend lines, you've also got trend line liquidity here as well. So depending on how this range closes, we could be on for some really nice shorts, guys. Hey, Liam McFarlane, nice one, 301. Defo gonna miss this range break because I'm working. I'll try. Ben, I'll mention it to the Discord community. I'll mention it to the Discord community. I'll tag you in the gold chat, mate, so you can keep up to date with it. Liam 301, appreciate you, bro. Nice one. Welcome to the stream as well, Liam. Bob, do you trade full time? Yes, I have traded full time for like 2-3 years now. Yeah, I've traded full time for about 2 or 3 years now, guys. Well, about 3 years. We're coming on 3 years now, but I've been trading 7 years in total. So don't think I've just been trading 2 or 3 years. No, I've been trading 7 years. I worked a full-time job for 4 years when I was learning to trade. Cheers to the likes and the subscribers, guys. Everyone who likes and subscribes, I appreciate you all. Let's get it up to 10 again. Nice one. Let's smash 10 likes, guys. Yeah, but Liam, thank you. Welcome to the stream. Bob, again, a new one to the stream. Welcome all. But yeah, let's just say for now, buys above here. Buys above. And we'll make it a little bit smaller. And then I'm going to go for sells below. But personally, guys, I do like shorts better than buys. That's just my overall opinion on the daily and the higher time frame market. However, we've got news in 25 minutes, so news doesn't care about what the daily's saying. Doesn't care about what your higher time frame does. News is all on the figures that come out or the release of the news, for example. So, like I say, gold could still absolutely fly into these highs again, which wouldn't be ideal. But I do like shorts into these lows. These lows here, I think, great targets, guys, for today. If the momentum is there for shorts. How many people? We've got 18 people in, guys. Welcome all. Like I say, guys, 18 people. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop a comment, guys. But yeah, what you're probably going to see now, guys, is you're probably going to see gold maintain this range until news. And if we do get that break above or below on news, then we need to be ready to capitalize on that, yeah? But yeah, we'll see, guys. Let's try and catch it in 10 minutes before the news. We've got 25 minutes to wait for that. Hourly respected the level too. Bam, bam, bam. But yeah, beautiful. This is the cleanest range for now I've seen all day, guys. I want to go over the trade that the community took this morning. And it was at quarter. You had a beautiful, beautiful range on the hourly. If we look at the hourly, guys, we had a level. And there was a very clean level here at 27.24. Look, guys. Look how price reacted it 3 times here. Rejected it here as resistance, support, resistance. And look what happened as we closed above. On the hourly, we closed above. But really on gold, as we closed above, there were no clean liquidity grab as we closed above. So the guys caught a nice 15-minute continuation play. And that was from here, guys. Beautiful continuation play on this 15 candle above the range, above the level. And yeah, a lot of the guys caught this here. Stops below, looking for it to continue higher. And I posted this in the free Telegram, guys, about this trade. And look at it. It's absolutely flying to the flown to the upside. Look at that. It's ran in total like 100 ticks just from that closure. Continuation play there. Beautiful. How old are you, Joy, if I don't mind me asking? Bob, I am 24. I started trading at 17. News is bullish equals bearish for gold. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Dean. Like I say, that's why when you get a lot of war news, gold rallies, because with war news, gold's like a safe haven. And with war news, like gold's a safe haven, people think that it's a, obviously it is a safe haven long term. But yeah, that's why you get a big pump whenever, for example, even with oil as well. Oil rallies when with war news too. Oil, crude oil. Look at it recently. It's been very sideways, but with actual war news and stuff, gold and oil tend to rally. But look, gold's been crazy recently. Yeah, I'd like gold to close below 27.35 and then I'd target this range low here. 30 ticks there. You traded that. Nice, Dean. Good stuff, mate. Yeah, but guys, if you don't know, I'm 24 years old, almost 25 soon, in a couple of months. But yeah, I've been trading for about 7 years. And I did start when I was like 17, 18 years old. I opened my first, I've even got the email in my emails. First trading 212 account in like 2018, and yeah, I lost money then. I had no idea what to do. Let's try and find it. I did post it in my free Telegram a bit ago. Yeah, start of 2019. Trading 212. Welcome to Trading 212, your free practice account. That's where it all started. When did you turn profitable? Maybe about 3 years ago. About 4 years into my journey, mate, I started getting regular payouts. Like before just trading gold, I traded forex, and I must have had like 10 plus payouts, 10, 15 payouts, as well as personal gains just trading forex. But since trading gold, trading liquidity and levels on gold, that's where most of the gains have come from in the last couple of years. But yeah, I was profitable when I traded like 15 forex pairs, and I'm still profitable with this now. I used to take some nasty swings on like Euro USD and stuff, some great swing trades. Like I used to catch the tops and bottoms of huge 4-hour moves, H4 H4 time frame. Huge moves. Cheers for the lights, guys. Nice one. You use prop firms, Bob? Yeah, I've used prop firms for about 6 years, mate. I've been through most of the prop firms that are not even here today, like my forex funds. I had like 200. If people don't know this story, I had 200k with my forex funds, and they went under. So I lost 200k, and I also had a 50k that just passed. So I lost like a lot of funding there, but I had to get back onto it. So I've used FTMO, even what is that? Funding Talent. I lost money with them because they went under as well. So I've been through all the highs and the lows, but recently I've had about I've had like in the last month I've had 3 payouts with Top Step. My forex fund still owes me a payout. Yeah, it's crazy. They owe me a lot of funding and payouts. I think I were up like $800 as well, so they owe me $800 in payouts. But that was ages ago now. That was like 2 years ago, so I've had bigger payouts since that. Yeah, this month I've had like 3 payouts on Top Step, so they're really good. What does gold want to do though? Crazy. Gold's been ranging a lot more than it normally does. Like Monday here, guys. Tuesday, sorry, here, guys. Look at that chop. Absolutely shocking. We've had some nice moves, but it doesn't normally range like it's been doing recently. Like it's been ranging quite a lot. Last week were great. Not many ranges, but very, very clean moves. But yeah, I think gold now. I'd like to see it break out of this range that it's currently been in for the past 4 hours. You know, in and out of this range for the past 4 hours, guys. Like I say, sells for me would be beautiful, but if the longs are there, don't think I won't be trying to long into, say, here, because I will. My forex funds as well. I had a dispute with them on my bank. 1 second, let me just read this. Yeah, I had a dispute with them on my bank, and I got like one actual account back. So I got like what 500 quid back or something maximum, but they owed me crazy. They owed me way more than 500 quid. It's waiting for the news, yeah, for sure. Like I say, with news is just the catalyst. This is just the spring and the volume. This is just the spring and the volume. When the news comes in, it'll either fake out the volume or just absolutely collapse. We'll do the poll in a minute for news as well, guys. See what people are saying on the poll. I remember my B-day on the 11th of September. The payout was due and they froze everyone's account on the 8th. I think I was fuming. Oh my god. Bob, I feel so sorry for you there, mate. Yeah, I think I was only like 2 days into trading the account, so I had a couple of weeks to wait until my payout, so yeah. Gold is pushing down now a little bit. I do think if it breaks this range though, guys, I do think if gold breaks this range personally, like 27.35 here, then the volume will step into the downside. I think that's what it's waiting for. It's just waiting for that closure, and then the volume will step in, that pullback. You'll see that pullback then. Let's do the poll, guys. We've got 15 minutes till news. Let's do the poll. Yeah, Alpha are good, but Top Step are my favourite for sure. Top Step and FTMO, definitely. Bullish or bearish news, guys? This is the poll again. Right, guys, the poll is out. Alex, nothing yet, mate. Welcome to the stream, though. Welcome to the stream, Alex. But yeah, nothing yet, mate. I'm just waiting. Just waiting for this range to break. Currently got this range here at 27.35 to 27.39, like a 40 tick range. So yeah, once we close out of this range, then it'll make more sense. But yeah, guys, thank you again. Everyone who's just joined, thank you again for 300 subscribers. I appreciate that. We're at 301 subscribers now. I appreciate everyone for that. I've used Alpha. Don't get me wrong, I've used Alpha. I've used Alpha Futures as well. Alpha Futures are good. But yeah, Top Step and FTMO and Alpha Futures are great. Don't get me wrong, guys. But I just love Top Step, how quickly they pay me out. Like, they pay me out in like 20 hours. I requested a payout on Thursday and they paid me out on Friday. Late Thursday I requested it and they paid me out on Friday. Midday Friday. It was great. But yeah, guys, we've got 18 people here. Welcome all. Drop us a question if you've got any in the comments. Feel free, guys. Like I say, gold looks a lot better now. It's finally taken 3 days for it to shape up. Well, 3 streams for it to shape up. But yeah, we will be staying on for a bit longer today, guys. Like I say, yesterday I had to go somewhere and gold wasn't really showing anything. It was playing around. We took a short position live on stream. You know, basically break even, but it absolutely flew to the downside. That was the short, guys, and look at it. It flew. It melted to the downside. That's better. Look at that, guys. Great position. That's literally what I'm waiting for now, though. That momentum and the entry. Simple. But yeah, perfect. Clean range here now. And this is how clean. This is literally all I have on my charts, guys. Three lines. Which is the best prop firm, Ian? I'm not going to tell you what the best is. I'm going to tell you what I use and what I've used, and that's Top Step, FTMO, and Alpha. Has Top Step get any strict rules? No, similar. Quite 6% pass, 4% drawdown, one stage. That's it, and then your end of day drawdown trails. That's all. Just take it slowly, and you can pass them in a week. Like I say, guys, if you tuned in on every stream, you'd have passed the Top Step by now. Like, what's that? 14 wins, 82% win rate. Like, you would have passed one now, bro, guys. Yeah, this volume. 10 minutes to go, guys. 10 minutes got. This range is very clean. I don't know what gold's gonna do though on news. I really don't. Couldn't tell you. Like I say, I'll have a look at the poll in 5 minutes, guys. How many people have voted? We've got 7 votes, and everyone's saying bullish news. You really think it's gonna continue, guys? I don't know. I'll have a look in a minute what I think gold's gonna do. We've got 7, but like I say, guys, if you haven't voted already, vote on the new poll that I've just put out. Bullish or bearish news. I'm currently in major drawdown of 6.4%. What do you trade, Bob? Do you just trade gold, or what do you trade, mate? Gold and US 30. Nice. Yeah, they're two good pairs. I personally give you a bit of advice. I just stick to one, Master 1. US 30 and gold. I think US 30 has a bit more volume in the US session, so you might get a bit contradicted. But Yeah, look at its ranging right now. Yeah, in the US session, it's very, very volatile as the Dow Jones. Yeah, I just stick to gold though, personally. I think it's the best. Just stick to one pair, mate. Are you scalping as well or swing trading? And if you're in drawdown, like I say, journal your positions. Don't go into trading without journaling, guys. Journal your positions. Have a clear plan. If you've got a clear plan, stick to it. You know what works. If you know what works, like just stick to them rules. But yeah, look how gold's reacting from this range now. Resistance, support, support, support. What's it gonna do? Let me have a look at the Discord community, guys. Nice. Guys, if anybody wants to join the Discord community education, learn the strategy, I've just put the link in the comments. Feel free to join. You get all the education in the members chats there, guys, and my daily gold analysis. Here we go now, pushing up. Gold's pushing up. 7 minutes till news, guys. 7 minutes. I hope news doesn't ruin the session. I really don't hope it ruins the session. But yeah, welcome everyone. Welcome back to another live. Let's see what gold's gonna do for us. Rejecting that level perfectly, 27.35. Surely that daily high is not gonna get taken again. What's the poll saying really quickly? 9 votes, 56. It's like 50-50, guys, but bullish is just having it. The poll on news has been right 2 times from 2. Like I say, don't use it as a strategy, but from this, it looks like news is going to go up from the poll. Yeah. Last 2 times, news got it, poll got it right, but like I say, it's not a strategy, guys. Don't think that you can just trade the poll. It's impossible. And yeah, it needs to be right. It needs to be wrong at least once, doesn't it? So if it's been right twice, it could go bearish, this news. Look at this range, guys. You cannot be trading this range. If you've entered a position after 9:15 to now, ask yourself why. Like, yeah, maybe here, maximum. But after this, then from 10 o'clock to now, so for the last 3 hours, if you've entered positions in here, I'd think why. Why have you entered these positions? Like, even this red bearish candle, it rejected all this level at 27.35 and this prior resistance and support. If this red candle here, this bearish candle closed like so, then yeah, perfect. You can look to go short, but not from this. Not strong enough for me yet. Wow, guys, bearish. Arun, hi Joe, I'm down 9.5% on my phase 2. How would you get out of this mess? What I used to do is if I was down so much on 8% drawdown on a 10% risk, I'd get a new challenge. Use 0.5% risk on the one that's down and use 0.5% on the new one. So if you get that back to break even, you've got a break even and a pass then, if you understand what I mean. Because with 9.5% drawdown, you're not going to trade it like a new account. So if you get a new account and just take the same trades on both accounts again, if you get that one back to break even, you've got a pass. So then you've got a break even pass, and you've got a one on phase 2. So that's what I used to do. Don't just full margin it. Not a chance. You've still got that chance to get it back to break even. But yeah, I used to just change my psychology, buy a new one. If I take 0.5 and get it to break even and pass a new one at the same time, great. It's literally all psychology challenges, guys. That when you get over the psychological side to it, then you start passing them very frequently. But yeah, like I said, don't be too disheartened about it, bro. Like, understand what went wrong. Aaron, what are you trading as well, mate? Are you trading just gold? Are you swinging, scalping? Like, are you FOMOing into positions? You need to ask yourself all these questions. 3 minutes until news, guys. I'm going to end this poll now. Oh, it's 50-50, guys. News is 50-50. Someone needs to make it not 50-50, please. If someone hasn't voted on news, just vote whatever you think, because I don't want this to be a 50-50 poll. $12 votes, 50-50. Crazy. Someone's... How is it 50-50? 6 on 6. Trading gold only, scalping. Yeah. Like I said, just have a think about what I've just said, mate. Right, I'm going to end it there then. What's that? 3 minutes to go? Is this going to drop? 13 votes bullish. Right, I'm ending it there. Bang. Right, so the poll is bullish. Oh, let's see, guys. Let's see. And I don't mean instantly. I don't mean what it's going to do instantly. Like, gold could push up and then drop to the downside like so. Very possible. Or it could push back and then continue higher. You just got to wait for like 15 minutes to see how that closes, and that's the result of the news. But yeah, we've got a minute and a half here, guys. I wouldn't woke up this morning and said, oh, gold's going to hit all-time highs again. Crazy after that daily close. Let's see what gold does here, though, guys. Unemployment claims, what are you going to do for us? $43 seconds, so we've got forecast. Right, let's see what's happening here in unemployment claims, guys. $30 seconds. $19 people, and guys, like I say, if you've got any questions, feel free to drop a comment, guys. We've got news now, guys, in 5 seconds. Pulled down, taking all that liquidity to the downside. Nothing much happening there, guys. Nothing much happening there, really. Nice. Did you take sells, Ben? Yeah, very very sad. Like, guys, this news is just very sideways. Look at that. Like, it's just creating the range even more. Unemployment claims has moved 40 ticks. We'll see what happens. Yeah, sells on personal. Nice. Personally, just going into news in this point. Yeah, good stuff, Ben. Nice work, mate. Personally, now on news, yeah, I think that price could potentially continue down into these laws. We'll see, though. What was the news release? Quickly, let me have a look. Thursday. I know it's unemployment claims 227. Yeah, it's quite actual forecast. Yeah, it's bearish. But yeah, not much on gold. Not much on gold happening, guys. Like, we've got no top wick on that 30, but it's not much volume to play with. Still within this range. But yeah, let's see. I think gold could possibly come down into here now. Then it can continue higher because we've still got that trend line as well, guys. Keep in mind that gold has this trend line liquidity to take. So if it even comes down into, say, here, these laws, before continuing higher, then yeah. Let me have a look at the chat. On Challenge Ben, our personal nice, mate. All right, yeah, good stuff. Naeem, how's it going, mate? Welcome to the stream. Carl, how's it going? Guys, I'm just going to go and fill some water up. Back in like 30 seconds. Yes, guys. Gold. Making that top wick now, maybe. 15. Let's see how it reacts from here, guys. Is it going to close below or continue higher? Stuck in traffic jam. Nice, Naeem. Thought I'd tune into the live. Nice one. Yeah, good stuff, Naeem, mate. Welcome to the live again, bro. Like I say, let's see what gold wants to do. Is it going to break out of this range that we've got? In an ideal world, it breaks out. Before the stream ends, at least. We don't want this price action, guys, for too much. We've got any more news today? Let me just double check. Yeah, we've got some news, guys. PMI as well at 245, so that could be another catalyst to send gold down. In an hour and 15. Bob, just long. Very choppy London session. Yeah, very choppy. Up and down, 15-minute. So choppy. Bob just went long, he said. For me, nothing yet until I break closure back above 27.39 or sells below 27.35. That's what I'm looking for. But yeah, gold's going to probably go make that 15-minute top wick now. Yeah, it's just made that 15 top wick. So depending on how this 15 closes, depends on if I can go long or not. But I want it to close back above here at least. Thanks for tuning in as well, everyone. I do appreciate everyone who tunes in every day. Yeah, but guys, don't be too annoyed, or don't be thinking about, oh, my strategy doesn't work, or why am I not taking any positions today. If you're not trading this, guys, it's so good. Like, you want to be trading, and I always say this to the community members, you want to be trading this sort of, you want to be trading this price action. You don't want to be trading this price action here. This 15 is trying to close bullish, but it's not got the volume to go higher, which tells me that, a couple of things. If the 15 doesn't want to push now and it's starting to come into this level, it means that it's quite strong and price could reverse to the downside. You know, if it does start to close bullish soon, then yeah, but it's got 5 minutes to close bullish, so I personally think that it's not going to close bullish here. Then it could continue to the downside. And them shorts do look good. But 30-minute longs and hourly longs look good. And 15 if it closes bullish in 6 minutes. But yeah, we'll have to see. Look at that 5 minute. 5 minutes disgusting. Tell you what, we haven't had luck this week with US session streams. The price action's been horrendous on all US session. Like, this is the session so far today that we're working with. Yesterday we were working with this. Like, it did break out, which was great, but look at it pre-US and pre-London. So bad. And then the day before, look at this. When we went on to stream on this, look at the chop there. Horrible chop. You know, I like these moves here and these moves we had yesterday. And we'll get them moves again. You just need to be patient and wait. Like, I've taken like 2 positions this week. Normally I take like 10 trades a week, but I've taken like 2 trades so far this week. But we'll see. We'll wait for this 15 to close. I'm not too convinced on longs just yet though. Yeah, I'm not too convinced on longs at all yet, guys. I need to wait for this 15 to close. Like, this 15 to me has not got the volume to continue higher yet. So, just off knowing what price action does on gold, like, yeah, it could continue higher in the next 2 or 3 minutes, but I'd want it to start breaking now and closing higher, and it's not doing. So this could just be a bit of a rejection to then continue down on gold. But, like I say, I don't guess. I react off what price does. And I'm not going to guess saying, oh yeah, it's going to go down. I'm not guessing that. What I am going to do is I'm going to say, if we close above, then yeah, longs are good. But until that happens, then I'm not doing anything. that be? 50 ticks, half risk, 25, not bad. Is that fight? Is it going to break out now or late, guys? Let's see. I don't want it to range until the next set of news that we've got in like an hour, PMI. I don't want it to range for that hour long, 'cause until then it'd just be so annoying. If price does this until PMI, so annoying. Daily though, bullish still. Is PMI going to send this down finally or not? Alright, gold starting to break out. Didn't. Look at that 30 now. $15's taken liquidity, broke above the range. Are we going to be able to get that continuation play in 2 minutes or not? We'll see. So we've got 20 seconds until this 15 closes, guys. It's looking quite bullish now, which is good. So we can actually look for some longs soon. We're going to be looked to long into probably some level above market, like 27.44, which if I flip into there would be like 20 ticks-ish, I think. 30 ticks? Yeah, 25 ticks. So I'm going to see how we close in a second. It all depends how this 15 closes. Let's have a look. Bottom wick's nice there. Let's see how far we bottom wick into. What's that? 3 ticks. Yeah, let's try and get like a 8 to 10 tick bottom wick, and then I can put this buy stop in, guys. Okay. And then we've got a decent move higher on gold. 20 ticks there. Right, I'll tell you what I'm going to do, guys. I'm going to personally have a buy stop on the break of this 15 high. I'm going to have my stops on the low down here with a half risk position. I'm going to try and set this higher personally. Let me just set that buy stop, guys. Right, guys, I've got that buy stop in there now. Perfect. Okay. Like I say, if that flips, then yeah, if it flips higher, guys, I'll have my stops just on the lower level here. Looking for this to go higher for me. You know, nice liquidity grab, break above. Let's see if we can continue higher on gold here. Yeah, that's the plan for me, guys. Like I say, if it doesn't, it closes back within the range, this will get deleted. Because gold could easily do that. And like I say, if this continues down to like 30 ticks, then I'll delete it. Because I wouldn't expect gold to continue any higher if it's going to continue back into this range. This is just a fake out to continue down. Yeah, like if it goes to 30 ticks, guys, then... If it goes to 30 ticks, then... Yeah, I probably cut it. What's the 5 saying? $5, $15. Yeah, I've got a buy stop here still, guys. Let's see if it can flip higher. Like I say, if it flips higher, soon you get to like 10, 15 ticks, break even, and see if it'll rally or not. Yeah, so 26 ticks, half risk because the news has just come out. So I'm only risking 13 ticks on this, guys. Let's see if it'll flip now. But yeah, risking the off them laws. But yeah, we've got a little bit of time for this to flip or not. Like I say, I always, on the 15 flips as well, I always watch the 5. Because I don't want that 5 to get close, come wick these highs and continue down. So I like to see the 5 push down first on the 5 before it continues higher. If it's not this 5, I'll watch the next 5 closely. But like I say, for me, personally, I don't think gold will flip on this 5. So I'm going to be watching it. If it starts closing below 30 ticks, then, guys, I'm going to delete. Because I'm not having a 30 tick stop loss on gold. No chance. I'll just wait for the 5 or the 15 to flip again. Continuation up there. Continuation above would be nice for long still, but that 30 is closing bearish as well. If that 30 closes bearish, then you could probably look for the sells on the flip down, especially with the if the hourly flips bearish and the 30. But we'll see, guys. Like I say, we've got 13 seconds here, and I'm going to be watching this 5 minute closely. I don't want that 5 minute to instantly push up. Right, guys, I'm gonna cancel this for now. Canceling this order for now, guys, on the buy. Yeah, I'm deleting the buy stop, guys. I am deleting the buy stop. Just because I don't think this 15 is going to flip, and I don't want to keep it in case this 5 comes and tests these highs and then continues down, which it genuinely does on gold. Look, tests the highs, continues down. I'd have wanted it to start flipping out on that 5, and it hasn't done. So it just tells me that the momentum, you know, you've got 8 minutes until you need this to flip and then get into profit. You know, if you want to get like 10, 15 ticks before it closes, you've got like another 30 ticks to push. So I don't think gold's going to just do it on this candle, guys. Like I say, it could prove me wrong and it could do, but I'm going to wait just for gold to confirm again. You know, you can easily get confirmation on the 5 and 15 to take it higher again. But yeah, I'm not personally in this trade, guys. I'm deleting the buy stop. And I don't like all the 30s wicking. That next 30 is open in 8 minutes and the hourly as well. So you'll probably get pushed down, get taken out, and then the move will continue there. 4 hourly as well, guys. You've got the 4 hourly opening in 7 minutes, so just not worth the risk just yet, guys. But like I say, it could prove me wrong and continue higher. But the momentum is just not there for the 15 just yet. I'd have wanted it to flip by now. 20, 30, 25 bottom wick. I don't like it when it just pushes up instantly on the green candle, because it's going to close bearish potentially. Cheers for the likes, guys. 10 likes, nice. How many people? 15 people here. Nice work. Cheers for tuning in again, guys. But yeah, we broke out lovely. Gold broke out lovely, but it's just not continuing to push higher. You know, look when you get these moves, guys. When you actually get the proper momentum, you're almost bullish on the close. Now we've got 6 minutes to wait, and it's not bullish. Like when you catch the move, like yesterday, guys. When you catch the move on these bullish candles, you want to be flipping quite recently, so the momentum's there to catch the position higher. But like with 5 minutes to go almost, it's not even flipped yet. And the 5 minute is rejecting, and it could continue down here. I'm interested to see that 30 clauses as well. Like, even if, like I say, guys, even if this 15 doesn't give us the entry and this 30 clause is bullish, we can just get in on the next 30 candle clause, which is absolutely fine for me. But I'd like to see how this hourly and 30 clause is, because this 15 could close bearish and then continue down with the 4 hourly. Especially we're coming into this big level on gold here. Look at this huge level. Resistance, resistance, support. Now acting as resistance. Watch it flip now in the last 2 minutes higher. Crazy gold. But yeah, 15-minute no position for me just yet. No continuation momentum at the moment. No volume to take it higher. Like I say, guys, don't get me wrong. Yeah, it could continue better. It could come up a little bit on this candle, but I don't think it's gonna be. I don't think it's gonna be long lived. I think it'll be short lived. Like I say, guys, drop a question if you've got any questions. Look at that. You'd want that to easily be flipping now. It's not flipping. So 30 minutes not closing the best either. Hourly, no. Very wicky. Like I say, you're probably going to come up, wick fill that, continue down. Bam, bam, bam. It's getting messy now. We've got an hour and 15 till the next set of news, so like I said, just got to stay patient for that. I'm very surprised gold on this daily candle as well. I didn't expect it to push up this much, but it is what it is. Gold does what it does. But if you just clear all the drawings off, it's looking like it's going to come and take the daily high of yesterday. But like I said, news could easily send this down a little bit more. At least we're getting some decent sun now on in the UK, guys. Like I say, guys, don't be too annoyed. It's very choppy price action this week. You know, last week was great. This week it's been very choppy. Look at that chop there. For me, I do like gold to fake out these highs like we have and continue down. I do think that's a possibility. You know, I don't think it's going to continue too much more to the upside. But like I say, gold does what it wants and will just react off what... Like I said, I wanted shorts today and I had a buy stop in. That's what happens when you're trading gold, guys. Yeah, look at this 50. Look at this, guys. So good that we deleted that stop order. No, not worth having it in. Look at it. Hourly as well, closing bearish. Wick rejection. 15. Faking out these highs. Potential shorts on the cards, maybe. 4 hourly, closing. We've got 4 seconds here, guys. Like I say, guys, if you've got any questions, feel free to drop us a comment, guys. Any questions regarding trading and traveling, your accounts that you're using, let me know. Let me just have a check of the community really quickly. Nah, nothing there. Yeah, there's no hourly position, guys, or there's no hourly or 30 position because it didn't close bullish. That could have been a potential hourly trade, but the fact that it didn't close bullish back above this wick rejection just means that it's just a liquidity grab to go lower. So don't think there's any hourly or 30 positions. There's not. This could easily continue down now. After faking out all this liquidity here. Fake out all this liquidity, continue down. But if we can close back below now, if we can close back below our level at 35, which price looks like it's going to run into now at 35 here, then yeah, I'm going to look to sell off. Like I said, this 4 hourly could easily start pushing down now. Like I said, we just got to wait for that though. How much would Christopher Harvey, how much would 10 ticks be with one contract? Chris, it would be $100, mate. Stuck in this range, guys. Yeah, no worries, Chris, bro. No worries. Like I say, guys, this is the range for me now on gold. I don't want to get long until you get back above at least this rejection area here. Like I say, you could have your range higher now on here to 2740, which is actually quite a clean range if you look to the left. Resistance, 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 support, resistance here. But yeah, for me right now, until we get back above there, I won't be looking to long until I get back below 2735. I'm not doing anything in here, guys, because pre-news, this could easily just track sideways, and that's just not what I'm getting caught into today. If it gets below, then perfect. Pre-news sell-off, definitely. I'll definitely look to get into that pre-news sell-off. Guys, 302 subscribers now. Nice one. Appreciate everyone who subscribed. But yeah, break back above 2741 would be nice. Because you can see that it rejected it once, twice, here, bang, 4 times. And then here too. It's just about waiting for that now, guys. Like I said, just wait for your closes. Once it closes, then you can see what price wants to do. Yeah, like I say, guys, just a bit of a waiting game today on gold. Bit of a waiting game. It's not the most fun, but this is trading, guys. You should be waiting for half the day. And you should be capitalizing on 1 or 2 positions per day, not every 5-10 minutes. Like I say, guys, I'm going to stay on for another 10-15 minutes to see if gold's going to break to the upside. If it does, then I'll capitalise on the long. But I think gold's due a pullback on the 4 hourly at least, down into these lows. At least. You know, to pull that, to push down so far and just instantly push back up is quite... You don't see that often on gold. Like, when did that last happen? You know, you had a pullback and then it nice and slowly went up to the highs, yeah. But not instantly, like we're seeing now. Nah, I don't think... You know, you're probably going to pull back a little bit soon on gold. Like, even here, guys, pull down. Yeah, you did pull back and then continue to the downside. Here as well, pushed up and continued to the downside. Again here, pull back. You do get that move, so be prepared for gold to pull back a little bit. Even if it is 100 ticks, be prepared for it. But yeah, guys, like I say, drop a question. If you feel free to drop a question, guys. There's absolutely nothing wrong with asking any questions at all. Any questions at all. Seriously, guys. Sorry, guys, 1 second. Let me just do something really quickly. I'll be back in 30 seconds. I'm just editing something on my thingy for you guys. There. Nice. Right, guys. Yeah, we've got 14 people in, guys. Welcome, everyone. Gold is starting to push up again. But, like I said, before it gets above 27.40, I won't be going long. It needs to get back above here. 4 hourly is pushing up as well, which I'm a bit concerned about because it's instantly pushing up. Like, is it going to continue lower? Like, this 4 hourly is shocking. It hasn't taken any 4 hourly lows in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this could just be a little push up to continue down. 1 sec, guys. I'm going to go live on TikTok too at the same time. 1 sec. Right, guys, I'm going live on TikTok at the same time, so if any questions do get asked on TikTok, I'll answer them in here too, so you all can get the full questions as well. No problem with that. Okay, guys. Like I said, but if you've got any questions on here, feel free to drop them in. 15-minute. What's it doing? Yeah, guys, it's not doing much yet. We've got 5 minutes until we close. But yeah, well, let's wait for this to close. 1 sec, guys. Back in a minute. But like I say, guys, if you've got any questions, feel free to drop a question in. How many people we've got? We've got 14 people on YouTube. 14 people on YouTube, guys. So, like I say, let's see what happens. Hourly candle is just pushed up a little bit inside this dead range, to be honest. Jared, welcome to the stream, guys. Like I say, TikTok, I am on live on YouTube as well, so if anybody's got any questions on TikTok or YouTube, I will answer them on both, so all good there. Give it a little like. Let's get it up, guys. What's this now? 15 minutes. Starting to react from here, guys. Like I say, I'm waiting for this to close. Waiting for this to close above. I have nice name. I have a fish for pips. Let's see, guys. What strategy using? Liquidity and levels. Liquidity and levels. Welcome TikTok. Welcome everyone to the TikTok live. Yeah, TikTok, guys. I am on YouTube live too. So if I answer any questions on YouTube, you will hear it on TikTok. And if I answer any questions on TikTok, you're gonna hear it on YouTube still. Yeah, Ben. I'm aware of that, mate. I'm gonna be careful with that, bro. Like I say, anybody on YouTube, anybody on TikTok, guys, anybody on TikTok, if you want to see my full screen, head over to my YouTube, link in my TikTok bio. Great name there, though. Yeah, but I use liquidity and levels. 15 minute just doesn't want to close above, does it? Welcome, guys. Welcome, guys. Bam, bam, bam. Like I say, guys, drop a comment if you have any questions. Let's see what everyone's saying. But yeah, welcome to the stream, everyone. How many people are in the TikTok? We've got 18 people. Got 18 people in the YouTube live, guys. Welcome all. 20 people in the YouTube live. Yeah, welcome everyone. Simone, how far do you think it'll go? It's tough to say because I'm waiting. There's no real liquidity targets on gold. So, because there's no liquidity targets on gold, I'm just going to have to trade it into level to level. But within this range, I'm doing nothing. You know, within this range here. Do I use TradingView for my analysis? Yeah, yes I do, Fez. Yeah, mate. Like I say, anybody on TikTok, I am live on YouTube, so if you head over to my YouTube, you can see the full screen. Just link in my TikTok bio. But yeah, just liquidity and levels, guys. Liquidity and levels. But we've got news in an hour, so like I say, could gold just track sideways until then, potentially. $27.13. Literally the low. Nice work. Nice work. But yeah, this is a choppy range for now. It's been chopping all day, really, guys. Don't get caught in it. Fez, thanks for the follow. Guys, anybody on TikTok, if you do drop us a follow after the live, I will follow you back. Yeah. What does gold want to do? 15 closed, respecting this level. So, still nothing for now. Potentially, Simone. Potentially. Like I say, I don't guess when price has no liquidity targets. I go off price action. And right now, gold's tracking sideways. Yeah, welcome guys on TikTok. Yeah, welcome everyone. I do see everyone's comments on TikTok as well. Cheers for the follows, guys, on TikTok. People on YouTube, is the connection still good on the live? Let me know. Is the connection still good? I'm just interested with how it's running. And with the yeah, cheers for the follows, guys. Nice one. With running TikTok and YouTube, I'm just seeing if it's good. Rory, thanks for the likes, bro. So slow price action right now, guys. I think it's waiting for that news now in an hour. Yaz, welcome. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the stream. Super slow right now is Goldie. Yeah, I'm waiting for this 15 to close, guys. Depending on how this 15 closes, it depends on what I can do, really. Waiting for this 15 to close. Let's see how it closes. If it closes nice and bullish, yeah, I'll have a look then. Cheers for the likes, guys, on YouTube as well. I see everyone's comments on YouTube and TikTok, guys, so don't think... Like I say, if you've got any comments at all, feel free to drop it in the... if you've got any questions, feel free to drop it in the comments for sure. Yeah, Rob, in 1 hour. In 1 hour, mate, there is. High impact, yeah. High impact, Rob. Yeah, Rob, high impact, mate. That's why I'm not too keen about looking at anything too much right now. Like I say, I'll wait for this 15 to close. Depending on how it closes, depends on what I'll do. A Ghost. What do I think gold? Personally, I'm just waiting on this 15 to close, Ghost, and then I'll evaluate then. Right now, I can't do anything until this 15 closes. Bam. Cheers for the likes, guys, on TikTok. Nice one. Yeah, I don't think anyone expected gold to fly up so much after yesterday's close, to be honest with you. Not even me. I weren't expecting this. But like I say, gold does what it wants always, and you just got to react to it. If you don't react, that's when you're going wrong. What's that? 100 ticks from Asian session. Like I say, guys, anyone on TikTok who wants to see my full screen, head over to YouTube. Head over to YouTube. Link, my YouTube's in my link in my bio. Head over there, guys. You can see my full screen. I'm new and I've made a demo account. How do account enter and exit a trade? Is there a control? Spirit KP, drop us a message. Spirit KP, drop us a message on TikTok, bro. Hey Ghost, who's that? Who's saying that? Who's saying that it's gonna go up to 3,000? Like 3,000, really? I need to know who's saying that. Dom, it's just a little pullback after yesterday's push higher. You know, it's just a little pullback after yesterday's push. Yeah, guys, we got 22 people on TikTok. Like I say, guys, anybody got any questions, feel free to drop a comment on TikTok or YouTube. If you want to see my full screen on TikTok, head over to YouTube, guys. Head over to my YouTube and watch the full screen live on there. Rob KG, I didn't see it pushing that high today. Personally, me too, mate. But like I say, gold does what it does. It's just a little pullback, really, to continue down potentially on next news. But we'll see. We'll see what gold wants to do, guys. Like I said, this 15's not closing bullish anytime soon, so... Autalk Nest concept, I don't use FEG at all. So yeah, I'm not interested in that, mate. I only use liquidity and levels. Dean, looks like the right shoulder forming of the hourly. Yeah, potentially as well. I've seen that. I've seen that. You know, you could potentially spike higher and then continue lower again. Yeah, that's definitely an option. But I think this is just a little pullback from yesterday. However, I'm not 100% sure. Why is it stupid, Auto? Because I don't trade fair value gaps? Nah. Really don't want to, mate. They're a load of rubbish. It's just a name that the people show you to sell courses and stuff. Fair value gaps, order blocks. Nah, don't work. Come at me when you're profitable with it anyway. Literally, order blocks and fair value gaps is literally just support and resistance. They just sell courses saying, oh, I've got this special bank order block. It's a lot of rubbish. Go swing trading. Yeah, I used to swing trade for 2 or 3 years before scalping. Well, 4 years. I've been trading 7 years now, so. Dave, yeah. So I use support and resistance and liquidity. Trade into and away from liquidity. Literally that. But people who tell you, oh, these crazy order blocks and these fair value gaps, they never work. It's a lot of rubbish. It's just literally support and resistance. Like, they'll go, oh, we've got a fair value gap here. Okay? Yeah, there is fair value there. But look what you've also got. Huge level of support and resistance. Look, resistance, resistance, support, support. And they think that they've got this magical name for something. It's a lot of rubbish. Like, anybody who trades this and tries selling you a course, well, yeah, fair enough, you're getting money off it, but nah, not for me. Break of the highs, potentially, yeah. How did it work for you, swing trading? Very good. I had a lot of payouts with swing trading. It just said that you can, he said it's a stupid thing not to trade. So the guy asking on YouTube, it's just a stupid thing not to trade fair value gaps. Like, there's so many more things better than fair value gaps. Yeah, Dave, 100% keep it simple. Definitely. Is gold going to continue higher now? First 30 minutes. Like I said, we've got news in 45 minutes, guys. Guys, anybody on TikTok, head over to YouTube. Guys, anybody on TikTok, head over to YouTube. Link in my TikTok bio. All go over there because I'm ending this live on TikTok now. So anybody in here who wants to watch the stream, continue watching the stream, head over to my YouTube, link in my TikTok bio, and I'll see you all there, okay? In a bit, guys. Right, I ended the TikTok stream. I thought we were gonna get banned. I don't want to get banned. I'm sick of getting banned on TikTok. Let's have a look. Currently running 50 ticks in profit. I think I'm gonna set break even for news. Yeah, nice work, Bob. Good stuff, bro. Like I said, news is in 30, 35, 45 minutes, guys. So trade safe. Dun, dun, dun. I would be interested in this 15 flip, to be honest. I would be interested in it, but I'm just having a look where the targets are. You know, you've got some targets here. You can only use levels because there's not much liquidity. So if you're going to enter the flipper there, you've got like 15 ticks into them highs. So let's see how big this pullback is. And if it's worth it, I'll put a buy stop in on the high. Because we have taken liquidity maintained above this level. And the hourly did break above. What's that stop loss? 8 ticks, half risk, 5 tick risk. Asher, welcome. Let's see him. We go here. Yeah, nice. Let me have a look really quickly, guys. If it's worth that little play higher. See how big. I'm just waiting to see how big this bottom wick's going to be. 10 ticks. Yeah, I'm not in this, guys, yet. Don't worry, I'm not in this. I'm not in this position yet, guys. It is valid, but I'm not in yet. I'm just marking it up just to see how big, if this bottom wick can be created a bit bigger first, yeah. And then if it is, I'll just put it on the break of the new high. But it were valid to take the flip just there. Yeah, I'm personally not in this yet though, guys. Don't think I am. Even though it is very, very valid. Look at that. Nice liquidity grab there. Nice break back above a few levels. Just very, very bullish right now. And gold's very choppy. That's why I'm waiting. I took this level 2732 where it probably means there's multiple. Yeah, for sure, Bob. Yeah, 100%, mate. Like I say, I'm not in any positions just yet, guys. I'm not too keen on how this 15's formed, and there's no clear liquidity just yet for me. When there's no clear liquidity on gold, for example, like a high to target, I'm not inclined to take it that much. I'm not too bothered to take the trade. Even though, yeah, it probably could shoot up a little bit higher for sure. But yeah, let's see what news brings. We've got 45 minutes till news. I'll stay on for a few more minutes, guys, and then I'm going to head off. But yeah, look at gold now rejecting. If you did take it, you ran into like 6 ticks and then it would hit your stop. But yeah, I'm not in this, guys. I mean, if it breaks the high now, then yeah, but there's no targets for me to enter on. Like, the only target is all-time highs, and I don't think that's going to get hit today. What's that, like 150 ticks away? Tough. Yeah, let's reanalyze this in a second, and then I'll just stay in the community, guys. Let's see what everyone's saying. We've got 12 people in. Like I say, guys, if you just joined the live, feel free to drop us a subscribe, please, guys. And if you've got any questions, drop it in. Back below 27.35. I'm going to look 27.38. I'll look for shorts, definitely. Big level here too. Right, guys, I'm going to update everyone on YouTube because I am going to head off and I'm just going to trade. I'm just going to trade with the community now, the Discord community. One sec. So, guys, for me on gold, what I'm seeing on gold is prices, yeah, it's pushing higher, but I do think we're going to get a little pullback on gold. So what I'm going to wait for is I'm going to wait for a closure below 27.38 area. If we can close below 27.38, I'm going to look to take out these lows here, okay, on gold. In terms of longs, if I want to further long, I want to see some range form and then a nice clean close above. This really wasn't it for me. I'm not looking to long this position just because there's no clear targets. But if we can actually range and close back above, say we do create a new range at 27.42, like so, say this is the new range, then perfect. Sells below, buys above. And it's as simple as that. That's what I'm waiting for, guys. But yeah, anybody in the community, guys, I will update you as always in there. If you want to join the community, I've just put the link in the comments of the YouTube. Feel free to join the community, guys. Get involved with the members chats, learn the strategy, and yeah, let's smash it together. But that's what I'm waiting for on gold. Breaks back above 27.42, I'll look to go long. Below 27.38, I'm going to look to take these lows here and these lows here, okay? That's the plan, guys. But yeah, for me, be careful on longs. Gold is super bullish. And I do think we're due a pullback on gold anytime soon. We're coming into some major levels on the H4. We haven't taken any H4 lows. So for me, gold could pull back before continuing long again. So be open to that pullback short trade. But yeah, guys, thanks for joining the YouTube. If anybody's got any questions, either message me on TikTok, Telegram, whatever. And yeah, anybody in the community, I'll see you there. Okay? Good session though, guys. A good 2-hour session there. Like I say, I'll see you all tomorrow for the Friday session, 1 PM again. And yeah, let's smash it, guys. Like I say, it's been a bit of a hectic, rangy week at the moment. So, like I say, wait for them cleanest positions to form. And yeah, you'll smash it. But yeah, guys, in a bit. Peace.